Tired of typing every email address when you send a group message? Learn how to create a group email list in Gmail in under 2 minutes. We'll use Google Contacts to create a label, add contacts, and then use that label as your group email. Let's start. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, open Google Contacts by clicking the Google Contacts icon on the right sidebar. Go ahead and open it in a new tab so you can easily switch back and forth. Now, locate the Labels section on the left sidebar. Click the plus icon to create a new label. Enter a name for your group, for example, My Group. Then hit Save. Next, click on Contacts on the left sidebar to see your contact list. Select the contacts you want to include by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. Once selected, click and drag them to the group you just created on the left sidebar. Now, when you click on your group, you'll see all the contacts you just added. And that's it. You've created a group email in Gmail. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.